Welcome back, guys. Today, um, we're gonna tackle a project that I have been thinking on for a couple of years now. Really don't bother me that much, but it's just like aesthetic wise, it's kind of like not really something I don't really like. Um, our mechanical room has a space for the dryer and the washer, so it was designed a little bit crappy. Not so sure what the person dealing with it was thinking. Maybe they do something quick in the rush and have some exposed piping, wiring, and all that kind of stuff. So we've been changing things little by little. But now that I decided to tackle bigger projects and I had the time during this lockdown time, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick problem that I have here with my dryer and a product that I found out it's gonna help me to fix the issue. Um, that's what I'm gonna do an unboxing video that's gonna be linked to this video. Plus, it's gonna be a how to install that. The project gonna be a little bit simple, but same time it may get complicated. I have a couple things on the way that I have to fix um, before I really end up installing the product we have. Let's see. So here you guys can see this is my exhaust dryer. My dryer vent exhaust goes up that goes out to the wall. As you could see here, this is a 4-inch hose. You look here in the back, got that make that space between the wall and the dryer itself. I'm gonna take a quick measure here to compare later on. I think over the bull nose edge we have 8 inches. That's gonna be the initial measurement we're taking on to later on compare. If we look here in the back, the hose is there between the back of the dryer space. And the hose is just making a whole bunch of rooms that push out thinnings. I could show here if something fell out there, you see like that butter, it's pretty hard to take it out. Just remain there for time to time. Also, I noticed that I have some of these dots that we clean and continue developing, so I think back of the dryer is leaking a little bit. So for that we're planning to use this product that we found out. We found this on Home Depot the other day for like this $20 or $18. The idea with this dryer duct is the dryer duct is designed to be more kind of flat. It covers the CFM space in a flat manner. We should be able to install it behind the dryer and create a room. But this is where the things get complicated a little bit. Every dryer comes with a side port. It's covered from factory, but once open up, you can run your exhaust vent out through it, and you have an alternative to the rear exhaust port. Around this area, and we're gonna be opening that hole there. We're gonna open the dryer, the rear of the dryer, access the hose space, open that port there so we can get the exhaust to the side of the dryer, so we got more room to go in the back. What I decide to use this duct because it's gonna be moving there up to the vent where the vent is located right now. I don't want to relocate the vent because the vent is at the high space there where it's at 4 foot from the code they asked for. I think it's 36 inches from the wallway. So I want it that high, I don't want it too low. I mean, avoid the crawl space, things like that. I don't want anything access into it. I'm not gonna replace the vent. I I just gonna prepare it. I think it's very sturdy aluminum bent. The flapper is still in good shape. I was cleaning up early, so I got some paint in there. So I'm gonna fix it up a little bit and keep it in there. But I don't want to replace it. I don't want to make another hole in the wall. I don't have siding to replace it. Now that the duct has been cut flush to the wall, um, you see we cut the beaver here. Just be sure that thing's gonna be sliding in nicely. You got we patched the hole around it. We seal it pretty good. In comparison to the 4 inches that used to be reflecting out the wall, now having this portion flush, it will be help us out to install this dog and making it look nice. I just opened the dryer. This particular dryer have a straight vent or duct from the blower assembly out into here. I was expecting have a kind of union in here that I can make an elbow or something like that, but let's see how I'm gonna figure out to put the other exhaust in there and making it go out to the side of the vent of the dryer. Let's take a quick look at the flat duct final installation on the wall. Now that our flat dryer duct is installed, let's go take a view of the final result, how it ended up uh, being installed, how being located. You guys can see that the exhaust hose going out the side of the dryer and it's going in through the flat duct. Right here in the top we could see how cutting the exhaust pipe that goes out to the flapper flush with the wall allow us to set the dryer duct flush in the wall. That help us out a lot to close in the gap that we used to have in here. If we look at the dimensions that we measured earlier before start doing the project, you remember we measured to the edge of the bull nose. Right now here it's about 3.5 inches from the edge of the bull nose, maybe 5/8, but compared to 8 inches that was before, that was a big change. I mean, we was able to push our dryer back 5 inches, you know. So now we have lots of room in front of the dryer. The laundry looks a little bit bigger. This project ended up with good results. One thing that I want to mention, this is very important if you guys decide to do the same project with the same product or any other flat duct that is on the market. It is the duct is marked, got a mark here. We see in the label that mention that this is the top section. This is the exhaust port that should goes to the wall. That is because the duct exhaust pipe that is spot welded into this duct is the diameter is cut out to fit inside the tube. So you're gonna be slip this in, and the bottom portion here that is designed for the hose to go over it. If you want to just run a pipe into it, so that may you have to accommodate and play a little bit more with the sheet metal. Can close a video we mentioned that the dryer duct or dryer duct vent systems are covered by the state building code. In my case, it's Ohio building code, primarily because dryer lint is a fire hazard. So somebody had to take care and be sure that when this type of construction is made on a house, is building correctly with the right materials, with the right diameter and things like that, and it's installed properly. You don't want lint to catch up inside this duct system because it could blow up in fire. So you don't want a fire in your house. Another point that I like to mention is me as a do-it-yourself guy. I do a lot of things, a lot of remodeling in my house, electrical, plumbing, heating, cooling, duct system, flooring, doors, all that kind of stuff. So I always read the code, the building code. Very important because doing the things by the code, it just not teach you how to properly build the things. It's also keep the value of your house. It's also being in shape for any inspection that you could have in the future. If you want to sell the house or you want to redo a second mortgage or anything like that, underwriters always send an appraisal guide to your house. So better shape you have it is, more the things are built based on the state code, more easy for the guy to go around your property, more easy for the guy to write down a good report, and the value gonna keep being up or could be staying flat as you want it. You don't want your house to be depreciated because you do some type of bad construction or something that is not in the code, thing like that. Especially dryer duct system, electrical outlets, plumbing is not that crazy, but electrical dryer duct systems, mechanical rooms, water heaters, gas furnaces, all that kind of stuff had to be built by the state code. So keep an eye on that, my friends. It was a nice project. I learned a lot. I read the code for the dryer. I wasn't expecting it was that long. It's got a couple of paragraphs. It's very interesting. I was able to correct a couple of problems that I have in my mechanical room. Other ones not, but at least I make a lot of space. I free up a lot of space that I wasn't using on my laundry room. So now things are. I hope you learned something from this project. Some small project, not too much details on it. But hey, if you have any question, any comments, pop it down below. I will be doing my best to help you out or answer any questions that you guys may have. See you in the next one.